How do I import my W-2 on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Then on this web page, click on the Sign In option. Now on the Sign In portal, you will have to enter your username. Then enter your password. Now click on the option of Agree and Sign In. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to open your return. Then for the desktop users, click on the Q&A button to access tax Q&A view if applicable. Now you want to click on the federal option, then click on income. You will find this option in the income link below the basic info tab. Now you want to click on the option of review next to wages, salary and tips in the federal quick Q&A topics. Now click on the Add Form W2 option. After that, you will have to enter the EIN from the W2. If the EIN is supported for W2 import, enter the additional required information and click the Import W2 button. Upon successful import, a confirmation screen will appear with the imported data for your review. You may also click Choose Different Method to skip the import process. If the EIN is not supported for W2 import, you will not be prompted to import. Instead, select Quick Entry or step-by-step guidance to manually enter the W2 information. After you have imported your W2 data, review this information carefully to ensure accuracy. If the details are correct, you can manually edit them within TaxAct. Once you have imported and reviewed your W2 information, you can proceed with the rest of the tax filing process with TaxAct. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer support of TaxAct. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.